This picture of Doja Cat back in 2022 keeps popping up on my Pinterest feed, and I thought, since my last crochet project was a success, maybe I should go in for round 2 with this one. Hopefully I'm not just getting cocky and I can make something that looks at least similar to the picture. First off, I think the colour of this top is very important. I feel like if I get the colour right, then I'm halfway there. So I'm off to find as close a colour match as I can for this wool. I was just about to walk over to the craft shop when I remembered there's a Poundland right here, and I thought, let's try there first, maybe they have wool. And lo and behold, they not only have wool, they have the exact shade of wool that I need. The match literally couldn't be closer. I'm starting with the sleeves. Now I need a stitch like this for the sleeves and for the neckline. I don't know what this stitch actually is, but I found this tutorial and I think it looks similar enough.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But you
I decided to cut out a kind of template size guide that I can follow. It's not really exact, but basically if the pieces I make are the same size as my templates, then I'll know I'm on the right track. For the main body of the vest, I'm following this tutorial, but I'm just making the neckline a little bit steeper and hopefully more V-shaped.
Once we're here, so because we chain 3, we know how to do double crochet.
Now here is where I messed up. I don't know if you can tell, but I have one side with 8 holes and one side with 7. For now, I'm just going to ignore it and make the back piece. Now to fix that front piece, I need to add another row of mesh to make the two sides equal. The neckline I made is causing problems because it's not as 3D as the one in the picture, if that makes sense. Like, it's not sticking out as much. I think what I need to do is add a single crochet stitch around the whole neckline to bulk it up.
It is going to be a corner for England. It seemed to be thought about for a moment or two. No, changed his mind. Changed his mind. The assistant flagged for a corner, didn't he? But then the referee. Just wonder how long he leaves it again, Gareth. Because the one area that we could do with a little bit more quality is in forward positions. Attempted really well, I think. All the standards of Western ground this morning. He's missed the pass. Xhaka to Zuba.
And this is the result. Now the neckline still isn't as sharp as in the picture, but considering this is only the third crochet garment I've ever made, I think this was a success. Anyway, let's try and style it. First outfit gets a 7 out of 10. I thought this would look better than it does. I think I should have worn the jeans low-waisted. 8 out of 10, love this one. I think the skirt complements this top so much. This one gets a 6 because even though I know it looks good objectively, it's just not speaking to my soul. This one gets an 8 because I think the boxiness of these shorts really complements this top, plus they're so comfy. Okay, I promise I did iron this skirt. I don't know why it's so creased, but ignoring that, this one gets a 9. I love pleated skirts so much, and imagine if this was a dress. Anyway, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching.